kids, welcome to Audrey BTV again. We're opening the blind bags first and then the troll style set. So let's do the blind bags first. We got rats. Rats. Are you excited the new troll movie is coming out? Of course. Rats is really magic. The most maddest trolls in the whole troll kingdom. Guess he go. And the number 2 one, he goes like number 2. So are you excited? We got Branch. Branch's friend is Poppy. So let's try out a blind bag. See which one we get. Let's see if we got somebody. Her name is DJ. From the movie Trolls, her regular name is DJ. That's why she does DJ songs on the big bug. So let's try the other one. Okay. This one. We got the new one. We got the one that's closing your eyes. You guys know what this one's in? Let me know in the comments section. See which one we get now. Ooh, we got a new one. Let me know what the name is in the comment section. Now we did all our blind bags. This is Puppy's style kit. So let's open it right now. It out. We got the wig. Here we got the dress. Okay, we have the crown, and we have the dress, we have the wig, we have the makeup table. This is a crown what Poppy had when she was in the bag. This is her wig, and this is her dress, and this is kind of her other crown, and this is her comb. And here's the table. Really cool because even just pretend she has really cool dresses. If you really want to keep buying other style pets, the other girl style pets, just let me know in the comments if you really want every troll to be stylish. Thanks for stopping by. Subscribe to Audrey BTV. I'll see you next time.